guys, welcome to Graceful Beauty. I'm Sherry and I wanted to show you guys these awesome lip glosses by Josie Maran. I've had many of her lip glosses before, but this is just a newer set that I recently got online. There are 4 of them and they are so beautiful. And I'm just going to show you the swatches first and then I'll put them on my lips. And I need to get something on my lips fast because I'm a lip gloss fanatic and there's nothing on my lips right now except for my Guerlain, I think that's how you pronounce it. Their Kiss Kiss. It's like a lip primer. And I use this all the time before I put on lip gloss, lipstick, anything. It's just like this clear. See, it goes on and you can't see anything. And what it does, it's like a lip primer. It fills in any little lip wrinkles that you have. It smooths out your lips and it's really nice. I've really enjoyed using this. I have some more inexpensive ones from the drugstore and they don't seem to work as well as this. So this is kind of pricey, but it's really nice. This first color I'm going to show you is called Daring. And they're all so pretty. But look at how this one is. I'll put another one on because they're very sheer. See that? They are plumping, but not in the way that some of the other ones are that tingle or burn your lips. These have a natural lip plumper in them. They have hyaluronic acid and of course Josie's famous argan oil. Sometimes I just put these on before bed because they're so good for your lips and they just make your lips look like these shiny pillows. They're just so beautiful. I love all these colors. So this first color is called Daring and I'll just put it on. It's very sheer. So this is best probably for, like I said, when I put it on at night, or if you want to look like you have nothing on your lips and just a, and just a nice little sheer color. The next color is called Brilliance, and this is really pretty. It's like a sheer, slightly shimmery, pinky peach color. And I'll just do a little swatch. And again, if they're so sheer, you really can barely see them, but they're so pretty. And I kind of have dark lips already, so really light sheer lip glosses, they don't really show up on me. It smells so good and it tastes so good. I believe Josie said the scent is a dulce de leche, and it tastes like that and smells like that. So good. The next color is called Heavenly. It's more of a pinky mauve with a little bit of purple undertones. It's not a shimmer. This one is just a cream lip gloss, but again, it's still sheer, so it just gives you that little hint of color, especially if you're somebody that doesn't like strong colors. These are just awesome to use. Of course, I love any kind of lip gloss, especially if it tastes and smells good, and if it's natural, that's even better. Now this one shows up a little bit better than the last 2 I just showed you. Oh, let me swatch it. So you can see that just with one couple swipes, you can see this one a lot better. The last color I want to show you is called Voluptuous. And this is more of a plum berry cream color. It's still a bit sheer, but you'll see when I put it on, it can be a little bit more pigmented than the other ones. Here's a swatch. Isn't that just so pretty? So you can sheer it out, or if you want to make it darker, add a few extra coats. I hope you liked this video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below and let me know what lip gloss you currently are loving. I would love to hear from you. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you did like this video, give it a thumbs up and click the like button.